Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be working on 19.6, making tally charts. Alright, this is page 689 and I'm going to do this page with you. Alright, tally charts. Alright, it says here essential question, why is a tally chart a good way to show information that you have collected? Alright, so let's just review what a tally mark is. Okay, so I'm going to just get a paper, and you can do this too. Okay, you can get a pencil or your marker or crayons, and I'm going to write up here, tally. Okay, these are called tally marks. Okay, so we use tally marks to count. Okay, so instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what we do is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these are tally marks to 5. Okay, when we're going to go on to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we do it like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so each one of these tallies means, each one of these marks here, these tallies is 1, but when we get to 5, we go across, so we can even count these by 5s now. 5, 10. Okay, let's go to 15. Okay, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And let's say I want to make a total of 17. How many more marks am I going to make? 2. Very good. So we would have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so this here represents the number 17 in tally marks. All right, so make up a number and then make the tally marks for it. Okay, so let's try that out. Okay, you can do the same one I'm doing, or you can choose a different one. I'm going to say the number 12. Let's make the number 12 in tally marks. Okay? You can pause if you want to try it on your own and check it, or you can go follow along with me. Okay? We're going to count to 12 using tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we stop. Okay, so that's 5, 10, 11, 12. All right, so those are the tally marks. We can use these marks to make charts. Okay, now if I was counting something, I could put the number, all the numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or we could use a different graph like the ones we've been doing. But a tally mark is just, a tally chart is another way to show it. Okay, so it says here, you can use a tally chart to collect information. Complete the tally chart. All right, I'm going to read the question. Ava asks the children in her class which of 2 games that they like the best. She makes a tally mark to show each child's answer. Which game did the most children choose? Which did the fewest children choose? Okay, so first we're going to look at our tally chart. Okay, so let's say that she had her friends raise her hand, okay? And she decided to say, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the cross means 5. Okay, so again, here we have our title. These are our 2 different games. Our favorite game and our 2 different games are card game and board game. All right, so she asked her friends, how many of you like card games? And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to put our total here is 5. And how many of you like board games? 5, 10. Okay, because we have 2 complete with the 4 and then the 1 across. Now it says, use the tally chart to answer the questions. Which game did the most children choose? Circle it. So let's look at these two. Which one had the most who voted for that game? 10 is the greater number. They voted for board game. Okay, so we're going to come over here and we're going to circle board game. All right, next question. And you know what, guys? I should have underlined my question here. If you did that without me telling you, gold star for you. Okay, now our next one is, which game did the fewest children choose? We're going to underline our question, and we're looking for the fewest, which means the least. Okay, so which one is our least? Card game. That one only had 5. Okay, so we're going to circle card game. All right, I like making tally charts. Okay, so let's go to the next page. This is the page you're going to turn into me. Okay, I'm going to model the first one, and then you're going to do the share and show and send it to me. Okay, so let's look at it. Let's read the question at the top. Model and draw. How can you make a tally chart to show the boats at the lake? We're going to sort the boats. All right, so here is our chart, but we're going to fill it in. Okay, we have our title is Boats at the Lake, and here's our picture with all the boats. We have 2 different kinds of boats, boats with sails and boats without sails. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to count my boats with sails. Let's count them. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boats with sails. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to make my tally. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to write in the total 4. Okay, let me get a different color to count the boats without sails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's make our tally here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, did you see how we did that? Okay, so you are going to do this share and show and then turn it into me. It says use the picture to complete the tally chart, then answer the questions. Okay, so we have some different fish here. We have the fish in the tank. We have zebra fish, which look like this little green one here. And we have angelfish, which are these little yellow ones. And then you're going to make your you're going to count them the way I did up here. And then we're going to tally and total. And then it's going to ask you number 1, how many zebrafish are in the tank? Okay, so you're going to take your total and you're going to put it here. Number 2, how many more zebrafish than angelfish are there? So what are we going to have to do here? We are going to, whenever we have an H, M, M, how many more? We subtract. Okay, so you're going to subtract this zebrafish minus the angelfish. Okay, and then number 3 says, how many zebrafish and angelfish are in the tank? So we're asking for zebrafish and angelfish. So what are we going to be doing? We're going to be adding, okay? Because we want to know a total. Okay, so you're going to add this total plus this total to get your total of all the fish in the tank, and then you're going to write it here. Okay, come up here. I'm going to make you my heart, wearing sunglasses, and I miss you guys. Have a great day.